In this video, I'm going to cover degree and radian conversions. To perform the conversion correctly, it's important to realize that all the way around the circle is 360 degrees, which is also equal to 2 pi radians. Since 2 pi radians equals 360 degrees, we can divide both sides by 2 to get the exact value for pi, which is 180 degrees. We will use this fact to convert between degrees and radians. So let's try a few problems. When degrees is given, we can put a 1 under that to make it a fraction, and we should multiply by pi over 180 degrees. This will allow the degrees to cancel, leaving us with 40 pi over 180. Then we can simplify the fraction by dividing the numerator and denominator by 20. And we will get our final answer of 2 pi over 9, also known as 2/9 pi. For the second problem, it's already in degrees as well, so we multiply by pi over 180 degrees. Degrees divided by degrees cancels. There's a common factor of 60, so we can divide both of these by 60, and we will get -1 times pi, which is negative pi over 3. That's the same as -1/3 pi. For this last degree problem, when we multiply by pi over 180 degrees, the degrees will cancel, and hopefully we recognize that 45 is the GCF, so we divide both of these values by 45, and we will get 3 over 4. 3 times pi is 3 pi divided by 4, so 3/4 pi is our final answer. Now let's go the other direction. When we convert from radians to degrees, we want to multiply by 180 degrees over pi. So pi over 9 is the same as pi over 9 times 180 degrees divided by pi. In this case, the pi's will cancel, and since we just have degrees in the numerator, our answer will end up as degrees, and 9 divides into 180 20 times. So pi over 9 radians is the same as 20 degrees. For this next problem, we can multiply -5 over pi by putting a 1 under it by 180 degrees over pi. The pi's will cancel, and -5 times 180 is -900 degrees. For this last problem, -13 pi over 4, we can multiply by 180 degrees over pi. The pi's will cancel. 4 will divide into 180 45 times, so we will get 45 degrees in the numerator. And when we multiply -13 times 45, we will end up with -585 degrees. I hope this helps in understanding degree and radian conversions.